Ever wondered about the bank your friend raves about, the one with the sleek app and the promise of effortless banking? Lunar. It's the digital bank that's been making waves, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? Let's dive deep into the world of Lunar and find out its true colors. We're not here to sugarcoat things. This isn't a sponsored video, and we're not getting paid to say nice things. Our goal is simple, to give you the straight dope on Lunar Bank. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a no-holds-barred exploration of this digital banking sensation. First off, let's talk about what Lunar actually is. It's a Danish fintech company that offers a mobile-based banking platform. Think of it as your traditional bank, but without the branches and the long queues. You do everything on your phone, from checking your balance to transferring money. Sounds convenient, right? But is it really that simple? We'll break down Lunar's features, pros, and cons. We'll talk about its user interface, how secure it is, and what kind of customer support you can expect. But we won't stop there. We'll also compare Lunar to other digital banks out there. Is it worth switching from your current bank? Or is there a better option waiting for you? We'll be looking at real user reviews, not just the shiny testimonials on their website. We'll dig deep into the forums, social media, and review platforms to find out what people really think about Lunar. And don't worry, we'll be transparent about our sources. But wait, there's more. We'll also discuss the future of Lunar. Is it here to stay? Or is it just another flash in the pan? We'll analyze the market trends, the bank's financial performance, and its overall strategy to give you a glimpse into what the future holds. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Lunar Bank. You'll know if it's the right bank for you, or if you should keep looking. And most importantly, you'll know that you can trust our unbiased opinion. So, if you're ready to uncover the truth about Lunar Bank, stay tuned. This is going to be one wild ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.